As Californians, we know that wildfire is a year-round risk, and this year is no different. A critical fire weather event is forecast for Southern California Tuesday through Thursday. Strong offshore winds, low humidity from the aggressive Santa Ana winds will create a dangerous situation for wildfires, with winds whipping trees and debris throughout the area. In response to the critical fire weather conditions, CAL FIRE is increasing staffing and pre-positioning resources to Southern California. While CAL FIRE and our partners are bolstering staffing and resources, we need the public's vigilance to prevent new fires. Avoid mowing or trimming dry grass on windy days. Do not park vehicles on dry grass. Ensure campfires are fully extinguished, and report suspicious activities promptly to prevent arson. Always remember to be prepared and stay safe. For more fire prevention tips and emergency planning, visit us at readyforwildfire.org.